Okay, Paul.
Okay.
What are the odds you eat this whole thing of sugar? Oh, whoops, my bad. There's not that much. So,
Hey, selamat datang. Ini Sonya. Saya Pau. Orang Sunda asli. Kita kembar. Bukan bagus ya. Enggak kita ini saudara saya, tapi kelihatannya kembar ya. Jadi ini Paul, ini Sonya. Ini Sonya, ini Paul. Asik. Kita lagi di sini di Mall of America di Minnesota. Tahu Minnesota ya?
Yeah.
Ya, jadi kita lagi makan ini. Enak. Ada ini.
Pretzels.
Pretzels, ya gitu. Pretzels. Ya, pretzel. Suka pretzel. Pretzel. Bagus, pretzel.
Ya, bagus.
Ya, pretzel.
Okay. Indonesian lesson number 1. Okay. So, my boy Paul here is going to teach me how to speak Indonesian.
Ya, saya akan ngajar Sonya bahasa Indonesia sedikit aja.
Sedikit aja.
Ya, jadi mau tahu apa? What do you want to know in Indonesia?
I want to know how to tell you about my day.
Oh,
Yeah.
jadi gini. Bagaimana hari ini?
So, bagaimana hari ini?
Baik.
Fifth time's a charm. Okay, hold on. Okay,
Oh.
teach me how to say I had a terrible day.
Sedikit. How do you say? You don't say that. Okay.
Okay.
Even if you're having a kalau
Say it in
buruk,
Indonesian.
kalau paling buruk sekali harinya masih bilang baik saja, nggak boleh. Nggak kita. Kalau nggak terlalu baik,
Yeah.
bilang nggak apa-apa.
Nggak apa-apa. Ah,
Coba lagi. Nggak apa-apa.
nggak apa-apa.
Ini mah bisanya jago.
Jago. Was following the eye, around their throats, keep their little heads and falling in the snow. And I turn around and there you go. I could you would fall and turn these red red strawberries in the summertime.
Your little hand,
All right, let's focus.
All right.
I'm going to learn more Indonesian.
Yeah.
Okay? Teach me about school. Actually, that's boring.
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay,
What do
tell
you
me
gotta
about-
tell me what you want to know, because I can't tell you what you want to know, because I don't know what you know.
Good talk.
Sonya di sini mau tahu gimana bilang like, hi, my name is Sonya. What is your name?
Yeah.
Gitu ya.
Yeah.
Mau belajar kayak gitu. Cuman kalau dia ketemu sama orang Indonesia bisa bilang kayak gitu. Jadi kayak gini. This is how you say it.
Okay. Ini.
Hai, nama saya Sonya.
Hai, nama saya Sonya.
Bagus.
Terima kasih.
Hai, nama saya Sonya. Saya orang bodoh. Gitu.
Hai, nama saya
Sonya.
Nama saya Sonya. Okay.
Oke. Hai, nama saya Sonya. Bisa ya?
Bisa.
Saya
Orang
bodoh.
bodoh.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's
So,
what's your name?
what is your name? Yeah.
Okay. So, hai, nama saya Sonya. Saya orang bodoh.
Iya. Saya orang bodoh.
Saya orang bodoh. Good, sweet.
Iya, bagus.
Okay.
Jagoan Sonya.
Okay, so should I try this on someone? Okay,
Iya. Jadi,
hai, nama saya Sonya.
Oh.
Saya orang bodoh.
oke. Ya, bagus. Ayo, dadah.